Hi, and let's come. As I have promised you, we will be back with the exercise 1.4 in session number 8. So I'm back with the exercise 1.4. Let's discuss this exercise here. And we have very few questions, that means only 2 questions in the exercise. And I'm going to take question number 2 because both the questions are repeaters of each other. So I'm taking question number 2, and with that question we will analyze question number 1 also, and I will leave question number 1 on you. Please solve it. So it is question, visualize 4.26. Yeah, visualize 4.26 bar up to on the number line up to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places we have to analyze, up to 4 decimal places. That means I will write it like this: 2626. 4 decimal places I have to use. So how can I? First of all, I had to take 4.2. So first of all, 4.2 will lie between 4 and 5. This will lie between 4 and 5. Then after this, if I will just represent 4.5, then I will take 4.26. This will fall between 4.2 to 4.3. Then I will take 4.262. This will fall between 4.26 to 4.27. Then I will take 4.2626. Then it will fall between 4.26 to 4.263, between them. So this is how I will make it. We have to make 3 magnifications. We can do 3 different magnifications we have to make. Before magnifying the thing, we have to make a blueprint of that. So let's start with this one. I'm not taking the numbers here and here. I'm just writing 4 here. We have 4. I'm writing 5 here. So we have, this is the midpoint, 4.5, and I represent this in 4 different parts. So where is 4.2? Here I have 4.2. This is 1. So this is 4.1. And this is 4.2, and this one is 4.3. So this is also, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I can put it like this. So first part we did 4.2. 4.2 we have marked. So 4.2 is lying between 4 and 5. This we have marked. Now we just come to 4.26. It lies between 4.2 and 4.3. So 4.2 is this one, I magnify this. 4.3 is this, I magnify this, and I make it another line. And just I put these 2 points, 4.2 and 4.3. I'm magnifying it and putting it here. It is, this point is met, and this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point is 4 point. I will write it above this, because I want to make it very clear so that you will understand it. This point is 4.21. So this point is 4.25. Now what I have? I want 4.26. So this one is 4.26, and this another one is 4.27. So I will put 4.27, and this one is 4.26. Since, why I have taken this? Because another magnification is lying between these two. I have to magnify this. Again, I will put it, it is 4.265. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to make 4 parts here. So this is 4.26. This part is 4.261. This one is 4.262 and this one is 4.263. Why I am magnifying them? Because the next is lying between them. My number is this magnification, this number like this one, this is this one number. Again I put it like this. This is 4.2625. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number is 4.2626, which is the number which I need. So this is how the magnifications plays an important role here, and with the help of magnification and with this blueprint we will be able to solve this question. Let me repeat this again. What we did, first of all, they asked for only 4 decimal places. We write the number up to 4 decimal places. Then we take first decimal place, then it lies between 2 integers. The second will lie between 4.2 to 4.3. Then third will lie between up to 3 decimal places, lie to between 2 decimal places. Then 4 decimal place will lie between 3 decimal places. We write that. And this, first of all, the first criteria, we expand the first boundary. This is the first expansion of the first boundary. This is the expansion of the second, and this is the expansion of the third one. So this is how we have expanded them, and we completed the question with the magnification. So I think it's okay to you. So I will end this session at this stage, because I have just asked you to do the question number 1, and you have promised on your own. Okay, you will do it on your own. So do it, and have a nice time. Enjoy your day. Bye.